as regards to the Electoral Act amendment, these days I was thinking that, look, with the importance of this Electoral Act amendment, what are you people, the journalists, the press? What have you done? What have you done to educate the people, to put pressure that the president should sign the Electoral Act? What are the benefits? What is direct primaries? What is indirect primaries? Who are those to benefit more if direct primaries is being conducted? Who are those to benefit more if it is indirect primaries? So it is important that Nigerians should know why there should be electronic transmission of results in order to save our democracy. Because the only way people you have put in position of authority can be accountable to the people is when you have a free and fair election. When some people can be sure that, look, if I don't perform while in this office, I will not be voted in again. But if it is where the security agency will be used to rig election, and then will manipulate INEC, then they cannot be accountable to anybody. Or they will tell you, yes, do you know how I get into it? Do you know how I got to the office? Through INEC and through security agencies. And so they have no business to do with the people.